Lauba's small workshop still shows real capability. The motorcycle fenders produced here can rival those from so-called big factories. In terms of material selection, they no longer use recycled oil barrels for processing. Instead, low-carbon steel plates of 1 to 2 millimeters thickness are chosen as raw material. I wonder if anyone here knows the trade. What would one sheet of this material roughly cost? After unloading, 2 workers immediately send the steel plates into the machine for cutting. They are trimmed into long strips according to the planned processing width. These are batches already oiled, lubricated, and covered with protective film on one side. At the stamping and shaping machine, the batch is placed sideways on the mold, as the upper mold slowly lowers. The machine first clamps the sheet tightly. Then the punch tool continues pressing down to shape it. After holding for a while, to prevent springback and deformation, the rough piece of the fender is formed. Next, the edges and details are trimmed and refined. Here, the excess edge is cleanly cut off by machine. This row of machines looks like an assembly line. And in fact, it is. This machine trims the rear end of the fender. And this one rolls the edges. This treatment is both aesthetic and structurally reinforcing. This machine is similar to the last one, working on the opposite side. Here, the burrs at the front are cut off. The next few machines continue refining other details. It's clear that Lauba's workshop is quite professional. Even if the environment is average, with this equipment, both standards and efficiency can match many factories. Now they are producing support brackets. The fender brackets made here come into types by position and shape. The earlier ones were for the rear end. And these are fixed at the middle. After spot welding the brackets and some fittings, the fender structure is essentially complete. The next step is electroplating. But before that, workers must grind and polish the surface. First, rust and impurities are removed, judging by their effort. This job might be paid by the piece. After grinding, it moves to the electroplating workshop. Although Lauba's workshop looks run down, its electroplating process is complete and rigorous. First comes degreasing and rust removal, the basics. Alkaline cleaning removes oil and residues. Acid cleaning removes the thin oxide layer, exposing the steel surface. This allows bonding at a molecular level. You can see that chemical degreasing first removes easy oil stains. Then, electrodegreasing tackles stubborn residues. This achieves deeper cleaning. After degreasing, the piece is put into an acid bath for activation. This takes only 10 to 20 seconds. After these steps, The surface is clean and rough enough for plating. Next, it is placed in a copper bath. The copper layer is the base, soft and ductile, filling small flaws perfectly, and providing a smooth foundation. It also bonds well with steel. Most use acidic copper sulfate processes today. After 10 to 20 minutes of immersion, copper atoms are deposited on the surface. After rinsing, it goes into the chrome bath for the final step. At this point, the fender is fully plated. The process is indeed complex. But because of this, the quality improves greatly. One can say the products from this small workshop rival those of large factories.